Hello, my name is Joshua Mutu and welcome to Pixelmake. Here on the Pixelmake channel, our goal is to nurture a game creation community, which allows anyone to jump right in and imagine, learn and build games with ease. To do this, we aim to provide how-to tutorials on all aspects of the games industry, from asset creation to the programming and working inside the game engine. We also aim to provide high quality free assets and affordable expansions that help support us to keep making more content and assets in the future. For use in our tutorials or your own projects, we hope our content brings your creations to life. Like Guillaume Veen, I believe that's how you say it, where he used our free spaceship and asteroids amongst other assets to create a simple space shooter, which he also published to the Google Play Store, which I'll have a link for in the description below. We also have an already popular Canyon Pack and Turret Pack, which are also both free on the Unity Asset Store. On top of that, our free spaceship also has alternate skins which you can grab for a few dollars each on Sketchfab, which helps us create more content for you, most of which will be free. In collaboration with Brackeys, we have the Rune Weapons Pack, which consists of a variety of different weapons for you to use in your games. And we also have the Runic Dungeon Pack, an environment pack that includes a collection of blocks, slopes, roofs and props for you to build what you want, from towers like this, which was inspired by the Eye of Sauron from the Lord of the Rings series, to big structures like our floating castle, which was inspired by Naxxramas from World of Warcraft, which we made for our trailer. Both these packs will be available on Brackeys' very own Dev Assets store, which has a pay what you want system with different pay tiers, with each pay tier giving you access to more content. There are a load of free and awesome asset packs on there, so go check it out. The link for Dev Assets and our other asset packs will be in the description below. As well as the Rune Weapons Pack and Runic Dungeon Pack, we plan to make many more asset packs, and we'll be doing free weekly assets or expansions to the current asset packs, like our new customizable spaceship, which we plan to expand upon and will be coming soon on Sketchfab and the Asset Store. Other members of Pixelmake will be sharing their progress for their concept art, modeling and texturing of our upcoming game assets. And we want you, the awesome game dev community, to have a say in the creative process and vote on the selection of concepts to be 3D modeled, textured and released. We'll be doing weekly polls on our many social media platforms, so follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, which I'll link below. And as well as weekly polls, there'll be updates for our other content, and if you have any ideas or suggestions for content on our channel, feel free to let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to get notified and be the first in line for our free assets. My name is Joshua Mutu and thanks for watching.